In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the zoom feature on the Dawn theme for your Shopify store. If you've been wanting to adjust your product display settings and are curious about turning off the zoom function, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this process step by step to make sure everything is clear and straightforward. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the home page. This is your starting point for managing all of the operations of your Shopify store. From here, you'll want to make your way to the theme settings. Next, look towards the left-hand column of options and click on Themes. This will take you to a new page where you can view all of the themes you have installed on your Shopify store. The Themes section allows you to customize the look and feel of your online presence. After you've clicked on Themes, you'll see a button labeled Customize located next to the current theme, in this case the Dawn theme. By selecting this option, you're opening up the customization panel, which lets you modify different aspects of your theme's design and functionality. Once you're in the customization panel, it's time to head over to the home page drop-down menu found usually at the top of the screen. Click on this drop-down menu and you'll be presented with several different pages to customize. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the product pages, so go ahead and select products from the list of options. After selecting products, you'll want to click on the default products template. This will bring you to the specific settings that apply to how individual product pages are displayed on your store. Next, navigate to the product information section within the settings. You might need to expand this section if it's not already showing some details. Keep an eye out for a drop-down under this section to access more options. Inside the product information drop-down, you'll find an option for product media. This is an essential part of displaying images or videos associated with your products. Now, here's the key step. Within the product media section, look for the setting labeled Enable Zoom. With the Dawn theme, this setting is often defaulted to enabled, allowing customers to zoom into product images for a closer look. If you'd like to turn this off, simply toggle the switch to disable it, effectively removing the zoom feature from your product images. Once you're satisfied with this change, don't forget to save your settings. You can do this by clicking on the Save button, usually at the top right corner of the page. This ensures that all modifications you've made get applied to your store. That's it. You've successfully disabled the zoom feature on the Dawn theme in Shopify. Your store's product pages should now reflect this change, providing a cleaner and possibly quicker browsing experience for your customers. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.